Hello everyone and welcome back to website planning and creation module, and in this video of ours we would be learning all the different options which are available in standard section. So in order to add any element in the standard section, we need to add first how many columns do I require. Do I require a 1 column or 1 by 2 in terms of 2 columns, or 1 by 3 1 by 3 3 columns, or similar to whatever options are available in front of us. Suppose I start with 1 column. So right now there is one section which is available with me on the entire page. When I'm trying to have, or when I'm trying to insert modules, I'm going to just try to click out here, and as I can see, there are various module which is present with me in my complete standard section. So let's start from the first option, that is accordion. When I've selected it, it is asking me to add a new accordion. So let's add a new accordion. Now, as it is asking me to put a title, so I'll write a sample title so that we can understand where is this title appearing when I'm working in the front end. There's a sample body, and let's slide down to this is the module link URL. So it's supposed that if anyone is clicking on this sample title, where do you want them to get redirected? So as for understanding, I'll make them go to google.com. So ideally this option should be used by you all in order to redirect them towards one or another page of yours, right? And I want them to open in new tab. After that, the option which is coming me is of background color. So usually we have 4 options. The first option is color, second is gradient, third is your images, and fourth is video. If I need to add a color, so I will simply click on the plus icon, and in front of me the entire color chart will open. Suppose I want it to be yellow and I need to make it lighter, so I just simply need to pull it this bit down, and if I need to make its opacity less, so this is the second option. So as of now I'm finding this color as good, so yellow color is done. Now after doing this, we are having an additional option on the top to go to the design section. Let's just explore what are present in the design module. In the design module, the first thing which is available in front of us is icon color. The accordion icon which is about to appear, if you want it to be in specific color so that that would match to your theme, so you can simply just pull this circular icon wherever. You can see on the top the color is changing. So like suppose I want it to be of something of this color, and I'll reduce its opacity and its thickness. Right, so I think this is the better color that I want. Now the toggle view, like in accordion, the sections expand. So in order to make these changes, first let's have a look whatever we have made till now, how is it appearing, so that further when we would be making any changes, we would be knowing what changes actually happened. So in order to see the changes, first we need to click on save and exit. So right now I'm having only one accordion, so just save and exit, and in order to have a look, we'll click on this preview changes. So all the changes would be appearing in front of us now. So I can see here it is, right, and nothing much is opening. Now as we have earlier designed, so if anyone is clicking on the text, Google will open a new tab. So see, you can see a finger icon is appearing, so that if I'm clicking, it is opening in new tab. So right now we are not able to understand what this accordion is, because there is no more accordion being added in the design. So let's go back, and in order to edit this accordion section, we need to again click here, and here it is. Now let's add a second accordion so that we can come to know what exactly it's happening inside it. So let's just click it, and I'll say this is second accordion. Let's have some text out here. Let's have the text in one alignment only, so that it is more of filled. Right, so now we are having a 4 layer of text out here. Let's do the same styling. Now I want this to go to Amazon, amazon.in. So I'm just putting the sample URLs in order to check where do I want them to go. Now in the last we have used the color, so this time I would be using the gradient. So gradient is a combination of 2 color. So just let's have a look. So I can see these are the 2 colors which are mixed out here. So suppose the first color that I want is a bit of whitish. The second color which I want is a bit of yellowish. So if I selected both the color, the section would appear something like this. If I need to change the direction, I can just simply click here and you can see the white is changing the direction, right? If I'm putting the center, or this is for the start position, that how much you want the fading effects to be present out there, right? So as of now, as I can feel, this section is ready. Just let's save and exit, and let's add one more accordion, and this time we would be using an image background. This is third accordion. I'll put the same text out here, but a little bit more than last time, and this time I want them to go to Flipkart, and I'll be using the image. Oh, I forgot to change in a new tab, and I need to make them go in a image background. So let's choose an image. So as far as I can see, I will be using this as an image background, and save and exit. Now my 3 accordion is ready. Now just let's save and exit and preview. So previously when I've done, my accordion was appearing something like this. Now you can very well see there are 2 more accordions just below the one. If I'm clicking the plus icon of first, say the first one got folded up and the second one has opened in front of me. Now I can see there is a plus icon again in front of the third one. Moment I click the third, the first and second are folded and the third text is appearing. Or if I'm opening the first one or the second one, right? Now that was the click module. So if I'm clicking on the module, so the second one was with Amazon. See, let's see whether the Amazon is opening or not. Yes, the Amazon is opening in front of us. And the third one was Flipkart. Let's go back, and this one was for Flipkart. So let's see whether clicking on anywhere on the text whether Flipkart is opening or not. So clicked. Yes, the Flipkart is opening in front of us. So I hope this section gives you clarity like what it can be used for. So in many of the organization you might have seen they are having mission, vision and goal or something like that, what they want to have. So you can very beautifully have all this mission, vision and goal, and at a time one of the module would be opened and rest of the module would be closed. In order to open another module, you just simply need to click on the plus icon which is appearing on the right hand side. Now suppose if I need to put some background color or something like this, we again need to go back. So if I need to, suppose I need to fill it completely, so I would be choosing this blue bar, right? So let's just, these 3 lines are for editing as we have discussed earlier. So click on these 3 lines, and can you see there is an option of background. So I'll be choosing a color, and this time I'll make it a grayish color. so that the yellow and the other things are very effectively appearing. So this is the color, or let me make it more darker. Yeah, that's fine. I think that will work. This is the way that the section will appear. Let's save and exit and preview changes. So earlier my section was like this, and moment it will get refreshed. So you can see this is the entire section which has gone gray. So if I'm putting any changes in the blue bar, the changes are implemented from the left till the right. Now suppose if I'm making any changes in the green bar, let's even have a look. So which section contains what range of work? So let's see in the terms of colors, background colors only, and this time I'll choose a background color, a vibrant one, that is something like this one, so that we can very easily identify from where till when this section lies. So you can see the orange is till around all these modules only. So that's the way that you can strategize where until what area you want to make changes, so where you need to go and do the editing. Suppose if you want to do the changes around the modules, so you need to select the green bar, and suppose you want to change within the module, so you need to select the module. And if suppose you want to change on the higher zone, like from the starting till the end, then you need to work on this blue bar. You can see the blue bar range is all around it, the green bar's range is just around the module, and the modular setting is just inside it. So by this you have understood how we can use the accordion in the DV Builder. In the next video we would be seeing the another modules how can we use in the DV Builder. Thank you.